I okay, we're live. Okay, just like that, we're back. We had to start that over. Um, Sheila was just found guilty of of first degree murder as a principal to her son, and Brooklyn Sims' mother is giving her victim impact speech. So we'll go from where we started and we can roll it back for just a minute, but uh she started saying some very nice, let's see where we are. Maybe having trouble with the stream on Facebook, may have issue. I'm not sure if Facebook has a problem or not. Facebook, if you're not here, okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Just 1 second, guys. Okay. So she was just found guilty, and Mrs. Sims or Miss Sims is coming through to speak on behalf of the loss of her daughter, and they're moving for sentencing right away. Okay.
Your Honor, based on the jury's verdict, we should proceed to sentencing today. Miss Brooklyn's mother is here. She would like to speak
Okay.
before the court enters sentencing. You want to come forward this? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if you'll raise your right hand for me.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, if you'll just state your name for me, ma'am.
Cornelia Sims.
You have something to read for the judge?
I do.
Okay, please go ahead.
Webster's dictionary defines a mother as a woman who has given birth to a child, provided an egg for a child, or who has legally adopted a child. My definition of a mother is a selfless, loving human who often sacrifices many of her own wants and needs for those needs of her children. A mother makes sure that her children are equipped with knowledge, skills, and the abilities to make it as a competent human being. It has been 1 year, 11 months, and 25 days since my daughter, Brooklyn Taylor Dior Sims, was tragically taken from me. I miss my daughter. Casey lost her mama. Casey lost her dad. Casey lost her other grandmother. When I say my granddaughter does not understand, and I don't know if she ever will, what happened on August the 11th, 2023. When I say this, I'll never be the same. Try to go on for Casey's sake, but I'll never be the same. I want to thank you, Trey, Ms. Bridget. Thank the jurors that today, Justin for Brooklyn Taylor Sims has been served.
Can I ask you one more question?
Yes.
How's Casey doing now?
She's thriving. She's getting big. At the time of the incident, Casey was 15 months. October, Casey will turn 4. She's just like Brooklyn. When I say identical, she looks like her from head to toe. She's her mom.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor,
Anybody else that wanted to be heard?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. Based on the jury's verdict, though, there's only one lawful sentence, Your Honor, and that's adjudication of guilt, life in state prison without the possibility of parole. I believe the court costs are $518, and that's all the state has, Your Honor.
I believe her credit was 722 days.
Judge, may I apply for legislation?
Yes, sir. Just 1 second.
Your Honor, I would like to say that Ms. Sims is 100% correct. I failed as a mother. I failed as a friend. And I failed as a grandmother. And it was something Brooklyn didn't deserve. There's no way I can express my sorrow to you. And I'm sorry, I don't ask for forgiveness. I don't ask for forgiveness. And I don't ask for forgiveness when you need to forgive. But I want to let you know you are a great mother. You are a great mother. You are a great grandmother. And you were a great friend. And I let you down. And I apologize from the bottom of my heart for letting you down. And I hope you strive. And I hope Casey strives. PP, I hope you and Adrian strive. And I'm sorry from the bottom of my heart. And thank you, Ms. Shipp, and thank you, Mr. Trump. And thank you, Mr. David. And I am so sorry to my family. I love y'all. In Your Honor, I apologize to you as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Agee.
I'm like, that,
Mr. Ackerman?
she might just be dumb, y'all.
I'm sorry.
I said, was there anything else from you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Anytime.
Based on the jury's verdict finding you guilty as charged of principal to first degree murder, I will adjudicate you guilty of that charge, sentence you to life in the Department of Corrections without the possibility of parole. I believe she has credit for 722 days. Any objection to that amount of credit? And she'll be given that credit. I'll impose $518 in court cost. Madam Clerk, there's no other required cost, correct? This is the judgment and sentence of the court. You have 30 days to appeal. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. And all financial obligations will be reduced to judgment lien.
I mean, I think that I think
All
this
remains
process
to,
helped it soak in.
Observe Ms. Agee get fingerprinted, but otherwise, court is adjourned.
I think this process helped it soak in. Like maybe she had a bunch of enablers trying to explain to her how it wasn't her fault, but it was her fault. If she hadn't provided that information, Brooklyn would have at least had another day, and Keith might have made a different choice, and it wouldn't have been on her hands.
Yeah, maybe go. I'm fine.
They are upset. Maybe they're upset because she spoke directly at them, which could be part of her manipulation tactics. I did feel like she apologized. She didn't ask for any leniency, but she wasn't going to get it on a first degree murder. Not to mention, Florida does not have parole. If you were sentenced, if you were found guilty of a offense and you got life after 1983, there's no parole. You do your time that you're assigned. Was there a commutation in the court? Was there a commotion in the court? Sounds like there was just a commotion after. Let me go to this part right here. Girl, they went ahead and shut that live down because the live has been on all damn day. Let's see. Hold on.
Try to go on for Casey.
Respond to her question. This is the last instruction from our Supreme Court. This is the last.
And Juror Alden Coe, is this your individual verdict?
Where is the verdict?
Mindful of the hard work of the jury the last 3 days. All right, if we can, the clerk, the hard work.
I don't know where the damn jury room is, but it seems to take a long time for them to get from A to B.
States present, defendant is present with counsel. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, if you reached a verdict, the verdict completely. It needs to be in proper order, and I'll have Madam Clerk publish the verdict. Ms. Agee, please rise to accept the jury's verdict.
In the Circuit Court for Escambia County, Florida, State of Florida Plaintiff versus Sheila Annette Agee, Defendant, Clerk number 1723 CF 003379B, Division A. Verdict. We, the jury, find as follows as to the count charged in the indictment. Count 1, guilty of principal to first-degree murder as charged. So say we all, the 6th day of August, 2025, Juror Carpenter, foreperson.
Would either party like the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Madam Clerk's going to poll you. She's going to ask you a question. If you'll just respond to her question.
Juror Carpenter, is this your individual verdict as well as the verdict of the jury as a whole?
Okay, so they polled the jury, and the jury all agreed that that was their vote. The lawyer Ackerman is totally in shock. Brooklyn's mom came to speak, and then Sheila's speech, I'm just shocked that she got up after Ms. Sims.
Try to go on for Casey's sake, but I'll never be the same.
Casey is
One thing,
Brooklyn's
Trey,
daughter,
Miss Bridget,
Brooklyn and Keith's daughter.
the jury, that today, Justin for Brooklyn Taylor Sims has been served.
Can I ask you one more question?
Yes.
And is that her mother or her grandmother? That's her mother, I guess.
She's thriving. She's getting.
She
good.
was found guilty, yes.
At the time of the incident, Casey was 15 months. October, Casey will turn 4. She's just like Brooklyn. When I say identical, she looks like her from head to toe. She's her mom.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor,
Anybody else that wanted to be heard?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. Based on the jury's verdict, though, there's only one lawful sentence, Your Honor, and that's adjudication of guilt, life in state prison without the possibility of parole. I believe the court costs are $518, and that's all the state has, Your Honor.
I believe her credit was 722 days.
Mm.
Judge, may my client would like to say something.
Yes, sir. Just 1 second.
I have got to hear Sheila's speech again.
Your Honor, I would like to say that Ms. Sims is 100% correct. I failed. as a mother. I failed as a friend. And I failed as a grandmother. And it was something Brooklyn didn't deserve. There's no way I can express my sorrow to you. And I'm sorry, I don't ask for forgiveness. I don't ask for forgiveness. And I don't ask for forgiveness when you need to forgive. But I want to let you know you are a great mother. You are a great mother. You are a great grandmother. And you were a great friend. And I let you down. And I apologize from the bottom of my heart for letting you down. And I hope you strive. And I hope Casey strives. The PP, I hope you and Ada strive. And I'm
Welcome,
sorry from the
Pink.
bottom of my
Thank
heart.
you.
And
I
thank you,
appreciate you.
Ms. Schiff, and thank you, Mr. Trump. And thank you, Mr. David. And I am so sorry to my family. I love y'all. In Your Honor, I apologize to you as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Agee.
Mr.
Mr.
Ackerman
anything
is
else from you,
shook.
sir?
He shooketh.
I said, was there anything else from you?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Everything's fine.
Based on the jury's verdict finding you guilty as charged of principal to first degree murder, I will adjudicate you guilty of that charge, sentence you to life in the Florida Department of Corrections without the possibility of parole. I believe she has credit for 722 days. Any objection to that amount of
She
credit?
got found guilty.
And she'll be given that credit. I'll impose $518 in court cost. Madam Clerk, there's no other required cost, correct? This is the judgment and sentence of the court. You have 30 days to appeal. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. And all financial obligations will be reduced to judgment lien. I'll remain to observe Ms. Agee get fingerprinted, but otherwise, court is adjourned.
You hear the yelling in the background?
Yeah, maybe go. I'm fine. Y'all need to, if y'all need to.
I'm sure they're angry and upset. I get it, but it's over now. So the family's probably, yeah. Okay, you guys. I appreciate y'all being here today. This was a very long day. You guys are amazing. And I really love these trials that handle business quickly and they don't. I mean, my God, we've been in court for days, weeks, months. Having a trial start and end in just a couple days is pretty amazing. And see justice happen. So anyway, yeah, it's a wrap on this. Sheila and her son, life in Florida penitentiary, no parole. It's I mean, it's justice for the family. It's unfortunate for the Agees and Miss Thelma. She's got her grandson, though, Jack, and his wife. Jack's wife married into a wonderful family. And hopefully Jack is a good guy. He seems like a good guy. We don't know Jack. Jack is Sheila's other son. but we know that they're over there with Miss Thelma. So hopefully Miss Thelma has some help because Miss Thelma's almost 80 years old and her no good daughter is gone now to the penitentiary and she can't help her mom in her golden years. Okay. All right. Her 52-year-old daughter is off to the penitentiary and her grandson. Okay. And the Sims probably don't want anything to do with the Agees. So I don't know that they're going to be bringing them, bringing little Casey around to see those people anymore. Who knows? And yeah, Jack Daniel. Okay. Um Anywho, thank you so much, Petty Patty. Thank you, Boo. I appreciate you. Guys, I'm not gonna drag this out. I got to go, baby. We've been at this all day. You guys have a good one. I will see you guys after I recover tomorrow. I told you guys I was gonna drop that video tonight. Let me check and see what's going on the YouTube streets if it's time for me to drop. If not, then I'll do it first thing in the morning, like 9 o'clock, and we can have a morning kiki. I'm just not up to be in the chat right now. So I might just go ahead and drop it in the morning. Um and then we'll talk about whatever else. Anyway, guys, you guys have a good evening. I think it's probably better. Yeah, I think it's probably better to just do it tomorrow when we can laugh and kiki in the chat. I can't participate in the chat tonight. If I were to drop it tonight, I'm just going to be, yeah. Okay, you guys, take care. Have a good one. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. And thank you to everybody. Thank you for the supers. I haven't even checked my Cash App or anything, but if you sent something, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's much appreciated. All of you guys who were here, all the new subscribers, welcome. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me. Likes do matter. They help a lot. And it's a free way to support the channel. Okay. You guys take care. Have a wonderful evening. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bonne nuit. Okay. Bonne nuit.